Ready to flip your breakfast game? Then try the Perfect Thin Pancakes homemade crepes recipe. Welcome back to our simple home. For this classic thin pancake crepes recipe, I use half a cup of flour. I put the sieve over the bowl and pour the flour through. This helps to reduce the lumps in the batter. One of the reasons I love making crepes is they only require 5 ingredients, which I always have in the fridge. I measure out 1 cup of almond milk, you can take any milk you like, and pour it in. I combine the flour and the milk so I get a clump-free and smooth batter. We need 2 eggs for this recipe. I crack them both into the batter. I stir well to combine the eggs into the batter. I use half a teaspoon of salt. Two tablespoons of vegetable oil. I stir the oil into the batter, and this is how it looks. Nice and smooth batter. At the beginning, I pour a little bit of oil into the frying pan to make sure that the crepe batter doesn't stick to the pan. I measure out 1/4 cup of the thin pancake batter and pour it into the frying pan. I'm tilting the frying pan so the batter is evenly spread, but you also can use a crepe tool. When I see that the top of the crepe is setting, I use a spatula to flip the crepe over. I let it sit for another 30 seconds or so and then check the bottom and take out the thin pancake. I pour in again 1/4 cup of the batter for the next crepe. I am tilting the pan so I have a perfect round crepe. I flip it after about 30 seconds, but you always can lift the edge and check if it's brown enough and then flip it. You can enjoy the crepes in so many ways: breakfast, lunch, dinner, savory, sweet. I will give you 2 examples how we like to eat them. Right now we have summer here in Canada, so I can use almost everything from the garden. I put some lettuce on the crepe, some avocado, of course not from the garden. I cut a cucumber into stripes, and tomato into pieces. A piece of a green onion and some dill. I sprinkled some nutritional yeast on top. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. I roll all the vegetables into the thin pancake. Decorated it with a little more vegetables. And now this filled crepe is ready to enjoy. This second one is my childhood memory, rolling up a crepe, and dipping it into sweetened condensed milk. This is of course not healthy, but it is so delicious and it's okay to enjoy once in a while. I encourage you to try out this easy recipe for perfect thin pancakes, homemade crepes. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and share with others.